What up, YouTube? It's your boy Gino back with you. Today I'm going to be doing another episode of Crazy Cook. What's on the menu today is something a little more exquisite. I'm going to show you how to prep, season, and marinate lobster tail. One of the most exquisite foods out there, most expensive. But interesting fact, lobster tail actually used to be more so the chicken of the sea is what they called it, or the cockroach of the sea. And it was a very typical meal for people back in the day. It wasn't such a commodity like you see now, and it wasn't considered a delicate. So I always found that quite interesting, considering it's 30-40 bucks for a plate of lobster nowadays, whereas back then it was probably something that would have been like on the dollar menu. So I'm gonna break this up into a couple of videos and then combine it into one after editing and whatnot. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what we're working with real quick. As you can see, bare lobster tail. Yummy. Looks pretty good, don't it? Stay tuned. And I'll show you the tricks of the trade so you can come out having a 5-star meal like you went out to eat, spent $100 on a plate, but instead you went up the road and spent $10 on 2 lobster tails and had an even better meal. So holler at your boy. Make sure you go down on that comment section before I get going. Leave some love. Hit that subscribe button. If you holler at me in the comment section, I'll go ahead and jump on your page and subscribe myself. Man, I can't talk. Anyway, yeah, like I said, make sure you smash that like button, and keep this video rolling and relevant. And let's get this page blowing up. Before you know it, who knows where it could go. Alright, deuce.